Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade on bybit with as low as $1. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe, please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and please help us share. Okay, so without waste of time, you're going to go into quickly navigate yourself to your assets. Here, navigate yourself to your assets. That is an allocation that you just funded your account. If you just funded your account, the money will be in the funding account. All right, so you just need to quickly move it from the funding account to unified trading account. All right, so you're going to go into click on transfer here. I've dropped a video about this before. I'm going to click on the transfer so that you can transfer the USDT from the unified trading account, from funding account to unified trading account. So we're going to do that quickly. Click on maximum and everything comes in. Guys, from funding, yeah, everything comes in, and you come in here to click on confirm. Clicking on confirm, everything will be okay. So they're all back towards to unified trading account. So we're quickly going to go to sports, because what we're going to trade is spot trading. Okay, if we come to sports here, there is this coin GG. So the next thing that you just need to do is to make a choice of a coin that you want to trade. Though my next video is going to be on spot trading, how to trade sports on bybit. Okay, but now I just want to show this because a lot of us knows how to trade, but maybe fixing one or two challenges staking your low trade. Okay, so I've been clicking on the spot. Let's say I want to trade this very coin, right? Let's say I want to trade this very coin called GG. So if I have intention of trading this GG, which is this coin, what I just need to do here is to come to this place to click on buy. Okay, or I go to this place to click on trade. Right, you can choose anywhere there. You can click anywhere there. So I'll click on buy. If I click on buy, it will navigate me to somewhere of this nature. Okay, so this is the trade limit. This is the current price of this coin. So I'm going to put the volume of the money I want to use to buy. If it is all, I put 6.9, and the quantity will appear here. So let's quickly try that and see. Let's say I want to trade with 3 USD, right? So pasting 3 USDT on this very account, you know how much I'm going to get? I'm going to get 150 of this coin. This coin GG, I'm going to get 150 of it. All right, so the next thing I just need to do after filling on this, I'll come here to click on buy GG. Okay, let's quickly do that. I'll click on buy GG now. You can see my order is being executed immediately. Okay, since my order is being executed now, I will now come to this place to check. You see my order is being executed. So I'll come to this cell. I'll come to this cell to check, to trade, to like track my trade. Okay, I come to this place to track my trade. All right, you can see I just bought with 3, and I'm left with 2.99. You know why? Because some little gas fee has been removed. Okay, so this is how to trade with as little as $1. Okay, but on this we use 3 USDT, right? But mind you, there are some coins that you cannot trade with 3 USD. It depends. Okay, some coin will give you the volume that you buy. Some coin will not accept you to trade less than 10 USD or 5 USD. Okay, so just take note of that. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me from the beginning of this video to the end. Like my video and as well share my videos. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe so that we can keep doing this every now and then. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.